Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I want to show you how to make your iPhone 13 Pro stand out in the crowd with this SopiGuard skin that was sent to me from SopiGuard. Now this is their StickerBomb skin, which I've done plenty of reviews on these skins before, but as you can see, it is a very loud, colorful, extremely unique looking skin that you can apply to your iPhone 13 or 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 Mini, whatever. Any phone, to be honest with you guys. They pretty much make the StickerBomb skin for everything. And the thing that I really love about this skin is it does truly make your phone look extremely unique and very one of a kind compared to all the other phones out there. Now, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love my graphite color on my 13 Pro, but if you are going to rock a clear case, then maybe you want to jazz it up a little bit and make it look that much cooler. So I'm going to, in this video, show you real quick how to install this skin. Now they do send you the rails as well, but I'm not going to focus on those because since I take cases on and off my phone so much, these start to pull off very easily. So I'm only going to focus on the back and the camera bump in this video and show you my little tricks that I do when I install these skins. So first things first that you want to do is obviously clean off the phone. Now I've already wiped it down pretty good, so I'm not going to focus much on that. So what you'll do is you're gonna peel the skin off, and as you can see there, the Apple logo is cut out. And what I like to do is I like to kind of do halfway. So this way you're able to move the skin around. I got a little bit of the Apple logo showing so I can match that up. But I really want to focus on that camera bump because that is the thinnest part and that is the hardest part. So let's go ahead and slap this one on real quick. So I'm just going to slide it up to it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to pull it down just a little bit more. Okay. And there is that. So let me go ahead and just kind of work out the sides a little bit here. Now you can use like a microfiber cloth or something. I'm just going to use my fingers for the video purpose, just because at the end of the day, guys, it stays on pretty well since the back of the phone is pretty dang flat. So there really isn't that much of an issue. Now the only downside is, like I said, with the sides, they are so skinny. So sometimes these are the sides that are going to give you the most issues. But it went on pretty easily. So there is the back of the phone with this installed. So this is what it would look like if you didn't opt in to sticking on the skin on the actual camera bump, which I will do in this video just to show you. But as you can see there, guys, now this iPhone 13 Pro looks so different. It looks like the bottom of a skateboarder's skateboard or something like that. So at the end of the day, it just makes it look so much cooler. And then there's that cutout for the Apple logo, so you got that shining through. So all in all, I think it looks pretty cool already, just like this. But for fun, let's go ahead and install the actual camera bump part. Now this one's a little bit harder because once again, guys, it is so thin that there are these just little baby things that you have to think about. So what I'm gonna do is same thing. I'm gonna do half of it like this. Match up this circular top here with the flash and then just kind of let it do its thing. But you do want to try to make sure to make it at least kind of even, not crooked. So there we go. So now let's go ahead and try to match this up. All right, and there we have it. So now I have the skin completely on my iPhone 13 Pro. And as you can see there, guys, it looks completely different across the board. I might be able to install this skin a little bit better, but for the video purposes, you get the gist of the idea. And it just looks so much different and pretty dang cool in my opinion, if you ask me. Now the skin's only $9.99, which is actually pretty impressive. So if you go to SopiGuard.com, you can pick the skin up. Now it does include everything that you saw. So the rails, the back, and the camera bump skin for $9.99. And they come out of California, which is nice. So I live in Texas. They usually get to me in about 3 days at the most. So that is a big, nice plus if you are someone that likes fast shipping. But yeah, there you have it. Now, just to show you what I'm talking about when I put on a clear case, is if I just pop on my clear case here, then there's kind of the look that you have there. And so like I said, you do get this like really cool, unique look now, but you do have a case on it. So you are able to show it off, and when we're holding it, it just stands out like a sore thumb now. But like I said, there it is installed in a clear case. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.